Okay, can you express 1.414213562 as a rational number? Why? Why is this number different from the previous ones? Well, let's have a look. So let's write that as a recurring decimal. So, how many numbers before it repeats? Oh, wait, right. Okay. It's not repeating. Well, we don't know if it's repeating or not, because maybe the next number here is 4. Maybe it continues on and it goes 4, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, 5, 6, 2. Maybe that continues on and it starts all over again. But we don't know that. So why is it different from the previous numbers? It is not recurring. And I would say not recurring yet, because I don't know what's happening next. So if I don't have enough information, so I don't basically have enough information, that's why it's different. All the other ones started repeating. Like the 1 doesn't have to be part of the repetition, but there has to be repetition in here somewhere. As we can see, there's no pattern here. Maybe the pattern continues further on down the line. That happens too, but we just don't have enough information. Well, that was an easy question. The last question here is pretty simple as well. The following are the first 60 digits of a very familiar number, which you've seen using for some time. What number is it? 3.14159. It's obviously pi. Okay. Now, why can't it be written as a rational number? They're asking, why can't it be written as a fraction? And it can't be written as a fraction. So sometimes we do see it written as 22/7. But that's not actually pi. That's an approximation. I can't remember if 2p's. 2p's is an approximation, is there? Maybe there's not. I don't know. Send me a link on how to spell approximation. But that's just an approximation. Pi can't be written as a fraction. So it cannot be written as a natural number. That means pi is not rational. So pi is irrational. Okay? Irrational. Irrational just means it cannot be written as a fraction. And why can't it be written as a fraction? Because if you look at this sequence of numbers, there's no recurrence. It does not recur. There's no pattern that repeats. And that's it. So that's going to lead us into the next section, which is irrational numbers, which we'll be doing. I might give you a video tomorrow for weekend work. Irrational numbers, which are numbers that cannot be expressed as a fraction. Now, I'm going to give you a joke, which you're now going to get the first half of. We've got this number here, and then we've got this number here, and they're having, sorry, they're not equal. Sorry, we have this number here, and we have this number here. So we got a pi, and we got an I, and the I is shouting at the pi. It's saying, be rational. Be rational. You know, he's saying, be rational, be reasonable, be rational. And then the pi is shouting back at him, get real. And you don't fully get that joke, so you get half of it, the rational part, and when you're leaving cert, you'll get the other part, and then it will be a hilarious joke.